In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Meta Business Suite. Whether you're relocating, updating your billing region, or ensuring compliance. Changing the country setting only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. The official result should be on a Meta or Facebook business domain and display the Meta branding. Avoid sponsored links or anything that doesn't look official. Click the correct link to open Meta Business Suite. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your Facebook or Instagram account that manages the business. Make sure you're using an account with admin access to the business portfolio you want to update. If security prompts appear, complete them to continue. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find Settings in the left-hand sidebar, often represented by a gear icon. Interface layouts can vary slightly, but look for the global settings area for your business, not just page-level settings. Inside Settings, find Business Portfolio Info. In some versions, this section is simply called Business Info. This is where Meta stores the legal details for your business, including the registered address and country. In the Business Portfolio Info screen, look for the Business Details section and click Edit. This opens the editable fields for your business profile. Keep in mind that certain parts may be locked if your business has verified tax information or active financial accounts tied to a different region. Update the country to the correct one, then click Save. After saving, Meta may refresh the page or show a brief confirmation. Changing the country can influence how taxes are calculated, which currencies are available for new ad accounts, and which features you can access. Existing ad accounts and invoices usually keep their original currency and tax settings, so you may need to review payment methods and tax details separately if your operations have fully moved. If you don't see the country field, or it's grayed out, it often means you need higher permissions, or there are region-locked financial settings on the account. Check with your business admin or Meta support if needed. That's all it takes. You searched for Meta Business Suite, opened the official site, logged in, went to Settings, opened Business Portfolio Info, edited your business details, and saved the new country. Give the dashboard a moment to update, and you're all set to continue managing your business in the correct region.